Maybe that'll sound better. Okay, here we go. Borderlands 4. Like, okay, that's right. It has this. Okay, okay. I gotta get used to the game mechanic of this. So, I mean, I don't think it really matters right now. Usually in these games, the first 20 level guns I don't really care about because they change so quickly. You spend more time like trying to sort through the guns than actually playing the game. Level 9. Is that a better sniper than mine? But I have to remember how to switch. That's mine. So mine does do more damage than that. So we're gonna grab it just to sell. Okay. That also probably would be one gun that would be the exception, which would be like your primary gun. For this character is probably a sniper rifle. Supposed to do here. Okay, so I'm supposed to reach the Spy Master, which I'm guessing is down in here.
Timekeeper! I wasn't. No! The surrounding area. I'm not interrupting anything important, am I?
Wait, is this a boss battle? What's a boss battle, somebody? What's my things? Fire? I don't know what that does, by the way. I've selected this character at... Yeah. I'm kind of spamming the keys right now, I just want to be honest with you. I get coverage. Yeah, I gotta take these guys out. A little easier for myself. I'm running! Hey! Truce! 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 Oh shit. The fuck is that? The hell, dude? The helly? That's not fair, I don't have those. That is quite unfair, sir. We don't... Okay, hang on. Oh god. I don't know what... Again, I don't really know how this character is supposed to be built out. This was just the one... Shoot, look at my health. Run! We gotta run. Yeah, we're running. We're running. Nothing wrong with the planned retreat. Maybe we get some health or something? Something? Here we go. Shield's recovered. Nice planned retreat. I'm gonna fire at you though. I know you didn't start shooting at me. Okay. Alright. Oh man. Maybe I need to switch my gun. I am taking a lot of hits. Oh. Come on. Come on. What I got. This gun. Was this the gun I was using earlier? I mean, it's... Okay, Oh, okay, that's fun. Got the secondary guy. Okay, at least they give you some of those bait guys. I mean, the thing is, I still gotta keep getting shots on the main guy because you don't progress through the levels unless you. I mean, how many shots is he gonna take though? That's the thing. He's up there at the top. Yeah, that's him. Okay. Got him stunned. Oh. Got it. Huge. Come on. Oh, come on. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think I. Is there anybody around me that I can shoot? You? Thank you. Yeah. I mean, I just don't feel like I'm doing that much damage to him. I'm kind of like always on the retreat here. Oh shoot. Ah! Okay. Get some shots in on him. Go. Get wrecked. Wrecked. Ah! Bastard. I don't know what that gun is, but thank goodness it exists. I mean, they're giving me those little lifeline small people to, you know. I mean, it's kind of like, you know, a blessing and a curse. Oh, out. Okay, that was what they would say, clutch. Oh, oh, I'm out of ammo. This ain't good, guys. I don't know. I don't like that gun. What's this one? Okay, yeah, here we go. This will be. Here we go. Okay, all right. Now the adults are in the room. Here we go. So he might actually go into like. That was actually a good shot. Look at me. Where we at? Okay, we're out of ammo, so hopefully we can grab something from this real quick. Got something. Oh shoot, that just walked right into that one. Let's change the pace of it. Oh, okay, you're taking damage, man. Okay. I'm going the offensive. Alright, hang on. Oh shit. Come on, fucker. Ah! Okay. Hang on, I'm in mid-game. Yeah. Oh shoot.
So many secrets inside his head. He ripped his own bolt.
I fight him again? God damn it! Fuck this guy. This sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this level. Oh, I'm interested in that. Get close to me, bitch. Buffer. Hell yeah. Because we can. Because we should. Because the world needs us to. Because why else would we buy a 4K display? If not to run that bitch at 4K. You know, I wonder if there's like issues when you start running less than native resolutions, like in between native resolutions. Because like, you know how like you don't really run at 1080p, you run at 1440. You know, you get the few extra pixels. But but not all video processors are optimized to like do those weird in between resolutions. And so if you notice weird artifacting and stuff, try changing it up to 4K or down to 1080p and see if that fixes it. I kind of was wondering if that'd have issues. I try to run mine not at 4K. I try to do 2560 by 1440 or whatever the 1080, whatever the 16 by 9 aspect ratio of that is. Yeah, I mean, refresh rates I prefer though over. I'd really like to take this guy ranged, but you fucking sure do. Your foliage should be so epic. What are you doing? Get out of here. Get out of here! This guy is being a... Oh shoot, come on, come on. Run, 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 run! I will get you to talk. They'll say whatever I want you to say, boy. You're getting wrecked. Stay down. Stay down, son. There you go. Get wrecked. Ooh, purple. Purple. Pretty colors. Pretty colors. Take them all. There we go. Okay. Alright. Hell yeah. And a blue. Okay, so we got some good loot from that, actually. That guy. Little boss guy.
This is a long shot, but a while back we scavenged a broken order bolt scanner.
Probably like mutes
I think we can get it working.
copyright material and stuff.
Some space wrecks that haven't been picked clean of usable salvage yet. Sending you coordinates now. If we're right, whatever the spy master knows about Saul's weapon could still be on the bolt.
Ooh. All right, we are going to say quit game, and I'm done. That was my time with Borderlands.